Hi everyone, welcome to SJ Lifestyle. So today's video is going to be a hair dyeing video. I'm going to be dyeing my roots. As you guys can see, it's quite faded out. I'm going to be doing this more like a pinkish dark purple plum color, and the ends are going to be very similar to this but add maybe a little bit more pink tones in it. We'll see how it turns out, I guess. Let's get started with the video. So guys, to begin, I'm going to be starting off with Vaseline and applying that on my forehead, around my ears, and under my neck, just so that the color doesn't stain my skin. So guys, I just removed my earrings as well, just because they're diamond earrings and I'd be freaking out if I had pink stains on it. Next thing, I wear my gloves and start mixing. So the colors that I'm going to be using for this dyeing video, let's go with video. Dyeing video would be all in the description box down below, and I apply a 20 volume clear developer. It's the first time I used it, so you guys can see that I'm kind of a little stressed. I don't even know if it's gonna work, but you know what, let's roll with it. We're dyeing our hair today no matter what. So to start off, I start from the center and go towards the ear part. I like to do that just so that I feel like I'm covering all my bases, and the top is what I kind of want to be the most colored in a way. So I like to focus on that because you know what? Sometimes you can just hide away if you forget like a strand or two near your ear, but you can't hide the top. So unless you're wearing a hat, but you know what I mean, right? So start off with the top. I apply for the roots first, so you can see that I'm not going too far out, and I use like a tail comb brush and just brush it through before applying to the roots again. So just gonna speed this up all the way. So I'm just about to finish with my roots, and once I do complete that, I like to go back in and massage it into my hair a little bit more, so I feel that like all the roots are pretty soaked with the color that I want to go with. And then I'm gonna start off just kind of, putting back in the color a little bit more. Now moving on, it's time to do the rest of the hair. So for that, I like to go from the bottom of my hair near like my neck and go all the way to the top. I just find it's a little bit easier to control the hair, and like you can see how you apply the color as well when you do it this way. And I like to actually soak it in completely. So you will feel it a little bit wet, but then when it's kind of out of your way, it stays, or the color stains the hair more than your shirt. So I like to do that. Another thing I'd like to mention is that when I'm actually applying the end color, I like to bring that color a little closer to my roots, so you could see that I'm applying the roots on the part that's kind of purple as well. just so that it blends much more nicely. It will look cleaner, it will look like it's a nice transition rather than harsh lines from like your roots and then the bottom part of the color. Ta-da! Final look come through. This is the final look, guys. I am so happy how it turned out. The fuchsia, the coral, the pink. It's almost like just how much I wanted. I was freaking out that it was going to be really pink, but it's not. It is amazing. Yes, that is definitely something I am loving right now. Feeling it. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.